Today, the CFD is essential and enables to choose the most optimal solution. My name is Sébastien. I'm a research and development engineer. The CFD is a numerical calculation tool that simulates airflows and thermal control in cabs. This tool is especially important to optimize our products during the development phase. This tool enables us to build airflow models, to see and correct defects, and to quantify product performances. If I take as an example the defrosting, this allows us to assess the heat-up time and the defrost quality. The true benefit for our customers is that we directly see the product's functioning image. We reduce the number of prototypes, the total cost of the project, and the development time. This tool allows us to limit errors and to get a clear improvement on the quality of thermal comfort. Customer feedback is excellent because the correlation between simulated values and tests is about 90%. Today, the CFD is essential and enables to choose the most optimal solution. In order to complete the CFD, we systematically validate the complete HVAC solution in climatic chamber. Throughout the development, the collaboration between the customer and us ensures a successful project.